Are you facing an error after installing October? It can be really frustrating when everything seems to work except the user interface. Don't worry, you're not alone in this. Today, we're going to tackle the issue of the October CMS extension not being enabled. I completely understand how disheartening it is to see an error message pop up when you just want to get started. Many users have encountered similar issues, and it can feel like you're hitting a brick wall. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently reported that after installing October via the console interface, the backend works fine, but the UI throws an error stating that the CMS extension is not enabled. Sound familiar? If so, let's work through this together. So what does this error mean? The CMS extension is crucial for the October CMS to function properly. If it's not enabled, certain features won't work, leading to the frustrating error you're seeing. But don't worry, we can fix this. And stick around. I have a quick tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. You won't want to miss it. To resolve the issue with the October installation, the user should first check if the required extension is enabled in the October CMS backend. If the extension is not enabled, the user can enable it directly from the plugins page. This is a straightforward process. After enabling the extension, the user should clear the application cache. This step is crucial to ensure that all changes take effect properly. Finally, the user should refresh the front end of the site to see if the issue has been resolved. This will help confirm that the changes have taken effect. Fun fact, October CMS is named after the month it was released, which is a nod to the idea of new beginnings. Just like the start of a new month, let's get your installation up and running smoothly. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user suggests that the issue may be due to Composer loading a newer version of Twig. They recommend editing the composer.json file in the root directory. This adjustment should fix the problem. The user notes that this will be addressed in future builds, specifically build 420 and above, which will transition to Twig 2.0. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check your extensions after installation. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. Your October CMS should be up and running without any UI errors now. Remember, keeping your extensions enabled is key to a smooth experience. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights.